Hey guys, good morning, welcome to another live session of Stock Sniper Trading. My name is Dave, guys, my partner is Ron. Let's get down to business here, guys.
In on US 30, sell, okay? I'm jumping in. Guys, that's a 100 pip drop. Yes, we caught it. Hey, guys, 200 pips, please, secure.
Trading with a perfect broker is the key, which takes you one step ahead. At AAAFX, we have you covered. The future of Forex is zero commission. Here at AAAFX, we offer ultra-low commission, which starts at 99 cents per lot. Our account's spreads start from 0.0 pips. With account leverage up to 500x, and can have a minimum deposit of $100, with an additional 100% deposit bonus, regulated by HMC Greece, compliant with ESMA. EU, regulated with FSCA, South Africa. Nothing to lose, but something to gain. Trade with the world's most liquid market provider, AFX, recommended by Stock Sniper Trading. To get started, use the affiliate link below.
As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stock Sniper Trading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.
Hey guys, good morning, welcome to the live session with Stock Sniper Trading. My name is Dave, guys, my partner is Ron. Hope everyone's having a great morning so far. It is Monday, September the 25th, man. I cannot believe it already. We are almost done this month. You know, when you start to trade every single day, your whole life gets revolved around that New York session, and I'm telling you, life moves fast, okay? We are coming into the last quarter of the month, last quarter of the year, and everything's looking pretty interesting right now. You can see right on the chart here, okay, or on the screen, I should say, that there's nothing really news related for US dollar today, okay? We have a speaking event at 9 a.m., all right, and then tonight there's a 6 p.m. US folder, all right? So we might get some nice consolidated movement here. Generally, gold does like to move on Mondays, okay? But we're gonna just be focused on watching the dollar. All right, guys, if there's any questions, please send us an email, okay? If you're in free Discord, please open up a ticket, or if you're a member with any questions, please follow those two instructions, but use the actual member Discord, okay? So we're gonna take a nice leisurely Monday today, okay, guys? Just one quick point: if you would like to see how to get in contact with us, okay, drop it down here, get in touch. All right, give us 12 24 hours, okay, to be in contact with you. If you'd like to join our free Discord, please head over here, fill it out, join up, and yeah, guys, then you can see if you want to join our team. Check it. I'm not going to really dive into that too much. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen enough. So okay, guys, so you can see here we have the DXY. This is on the daily here. All right. Oh, yes. Good save. Guys, kill shot. All right. I'm going to drop that link in here. If you guys have any questions of what that is, like I said, please comment on MQL5. All right. And then everyone in Discord, we will have some support from today moving forward. Okay. So right now you can see on the dollar, guys, this hasn't slowed down here. We about 2 months ago we were watching this. I remember our goal was 100, 101, 102, 103, and you can see we're targeting 106. All right, very soon, and then 106.5. All right, the candles are getting less and less in volume. Okay, a lot of wicks. All right, so we're coming to some big opportunities near the end of the month, I do believe. All right, which is going to be in about 6 days. All right, so let's go to the hourly. All right, we'll get things set up real quick here on the dollar, then we'll take a look at gold. All right, so we had nice few bars here to the left. Okay, and this was at September 20th at 2. Okay, and then you can see at 3. Okay, so for me, what I'd like to ideally do is, you can see we have not broken below here in quite some time. The last time we had these types of volume was from the 20th, we had 14th. Okay, and then if we do look at the resistance levels versus support, okay, you can see that we've acted as nice resistance and then finally some nice support to the right here. Okay, this is coming into near the end of the month. All right, so I'm not going to drag it all the way back down to 104.7. That's a pretty big volume based move. I don't think we'd get that today. All right, so let me just kind of drag these down here, get that wick tap. Okay, then you can see all the bodies here. All right, so guys, it's pretty obvious to me that this is a nice support level. Okay, you can see here they've retested it and then they gapped it up. Okay, came back down, and then you can see same level as previous. Okay, and then you can see even to the right here, which just happened on the around 10. Okay, on the 22nd. All right, I've had another tap here, and price has not broken below. Since then, it's holding a nice little trend. All right, so I'm looking for potentially the dollar to go a little bit bullish. Okay, if we can hold, maybe get up to that candle close 105.68, 105.675. Okay, and if we do break here, though, that's the only thing that I was kind of noticing here. If we break that nice little hourly trend, we can probably fall back down to our next level support here. Okay, and that's at like 105.425. Okay, so let's erase all this. Probably wondering what's going on here. Sometimes it's a little bit difficult to follow along if you just join in. Okay, and I'm going to use the lines here. Okay, guys, so just one quick thing. If you guys are having trouble finding the highs and lows, right click on your right hand column here, click on lines, and you can go to post market price. All right, high and low price, just so you have some obvious lines there for you to use. Okay, all right, so next I'm going to grab the fib levels here. I'm going to actually see where they've touched. Okay, one time here, and then got nice resistance. All right, and I'm going to go my resistance level to my buying area. All right, take that across. You can see how they're holding on the golden zone here, guys, as of right now. Okay, we'll go take a look at the 15. And you can see the type of movement volume that we're currently trading in between 786 and then the 0.5. All right, so let's take some time here. We're going to watch the new hourly. It's about 5 minutes after the last half hour. Okay, we'll dive into the 5 minute. All right, but first I'd like to set some alarms. I'd like to see if we're going to break this golden zone, maybe come back down and tap. Okay, and if we're going to maybe even pop to the highs. Okay, and members, I'll drop this in Zoom for you. If we do break that one level, guys, our next target is 106. Okay, you can see to the left here if we go on the 4-hour. All right, we have to break. That's what I was looking for here. That 105.880. Okay, so they could push up, get wick rejected, and then close back below, and maybe retrace back down to our golden zone. But we will watch and see here on the new 4-hour. Okay, so let's head over to the 5. All right, and guys, I'm flip-flopping here just because I just like to check out higher time frames just as well as lower ones. Okay. All right, so right now we have some nice levels set here. Okay, let's dive into gold. Okay, there goes the Dow, nice rejection here. We have some gold levels here, also some resistance. Okay, guys, is anyone short on gold? Is anyone long on gold? Is anyone trading gold right now currently? Before I do everything, I just like to know what your guys' thoughts are. Okay, some people are, yeah. Not oil, or sorry, not gold, but I guess some people will be saying nothing. Okay. All right. Okay, guys, so we see the nice hourly here. All right, get some nice rejection candles. Okay, this is a 1-2 bar play here. Beautiful notice of reverse structure. Now getting some resistance. Okay. And if you look to the left, we're finally holding some support at around 1919. So let's gather some key resistance levels here and some key support. Winston, welcome, brother. Thank you so much for tuning in. Just take it slow, okay? Remember, scalping is not easy. All right, we've all noticed that. So just take some time. Take a peek at the webinars, okay? And review some of the live trading sessions. Okay, and if you've watched this from before, then if you know what to do, practice with proper risk. Okay, so this is going to be me here gathering the resistance to the high, to the lows. Okay, you can see we've started to get a little bit of bounce here. All right, started to hold, wick rejection. Okay, so why we know that price is not broke above. All right, so now we're coming testing that golden zone. Okay, so it's heavy consolidation, guys. It's pretty shitty, to be honest with you, in my opinion. All right, but I'm sure we can make something out of nothing here. Definite support right at the 1914. Okay, and then you can see to the left here some nice resistance at 1928, 1929. Okay, if you guys are in gold sells, okay, you can see here that we've now, right in between that 0.5 and 618 level, we've started to close above on the hour, a little bit of a wick. Okay, so let's rock over to the 15-minute. All right, we'll dive in here on the 15-minute time frame. And let's take a look at our zones, guys. Let's take a look at our zones. We have some people in shorts, some people in buys. I like to see between 786 and 618, you're looking at maybe 25 pip drop or pop. Okay, and then between the 618 and 0.5, it's around 20 pips. Okay, so good to know. And we'll go to the 5 here. All right, so let's set our alarms, guys. Looking pretty clean right now. Get that 0.5. Good morning, Lisa. Kim, it could be out. We'll take a peek at that too. All right. So guys, I'm looking for the new hourly here. It's going to take some time. All right. I do want to see what 8 and 9 brings us with COMEX open at 820. All right. To me, that's generally the focus. Greetings from Kiatu team. No, I do not want to sponsor your broker. Sorry, guys. Okay. So let's see here. I like to maybe see 1926 to see if we get up to this level here. Okay. If we take one peek at the daily, guys, before we really dive into this, take a look at what it's doing. Okay, so it's kind of ranging right now, kind of coming to an apex, in my opinion. All right, and if we look even on the weeklies, you can see what's kind of forming here, guys. All right, so we're now in this nice volume-based candle here. If we do make a low tap at 1900 again, okay, price definitely can get to around 1980, 1970 area right in here. If we don't even break down there, guys, it looks like the opportunity is still presenting itself. Okay. So now we have the apex kind of in mind here. We know that for the rest of the week. Okay. And mark that in your journal, guys, or in your online Excel, whatever you guys have to control your trading history. All right. I'm telling you right now, it's important to just mark up those key chart patterns here. They don't always play out, but just so we know for higher time frames what's been done on Monday and what we're looking at for the rest of the week. All right. All right, guys. Because it's going to be a bit slower today, I did have something prepared. Maybe check out some word games and just flip back and forth. I don't know if you guys are involved in that. I know we're here to trade, but trust me when I say it. We got a little bit of time here. All right. So I was thinking maybe we could do some trivia, see how it goes out. Let the ads go. Okay, so good before we begin. All right, so Goldie's still holding, guys. Target is 1926 here. All right. If we do get resisted here, like we have to the left, okay, then we're gonna probably shed back down to 1921. Yep. Dallas is breaking down. Okay, and then there's the DXY here. Okay, so this is kind of forming like a little bit of head and shoulder here. Pretty weak. Shoulder, head, a little bit of a shoulder here. What is a candlestick? It's a long wax shaft with a wick on top. You light it and it ignites. Yeah, I like a retest in 1925. I like to even, like I said, just wait for this last 15 minutes. So patience. GU gates. Okay. There's the Dowser. All right, we'll go over the Dow with the new hourly. Okay, so there's the DXY. Look at the 4 hour. Doesn't seem like a retracement, and it will fall to hell. Possibly. We'll take a look at the new hourly for sure. I'm pretty, like I said, I've been bearish on gold for a bit, but I've been bearish on everything for the last little bit, guys. Everyone thought I was nuts. We've had nice impulsive moves, but I am one of those believers that we are going to get a little bit of a fall. Okay. All right, guys. So here we go. Let's see what we got going on here. What do you guys think? True or false, guys? Oh, why are you going so fast? Alex, just waiting for the new hourly. It's way too fast, guys. I think that one is a no dough, no dice. Let's do some fill-ins here. Okay, guys, there we go. So there's the rejection here coming in. The dollar's looking pretty bullish. Kenny, what does that mean? Yep. Here we go, guys. Last 10 minutes here. So nothing really on gold. You can see the Dow's breaking down. Okay, right back down to our zero. All right, this is set from last week, to be honest with you. All right, so we'll head over that. Look at the hour. Look at dollar here, still pushing. There it goes. So this should be pushing gold down a bit. There we go. Yes, we can definitely take a peek at the scanner here and then look at the moving averages. Okay, so US 30 on the 4 hours looking like some possible buying opportunities. Looks like we're probably going to break some key levels though before that happens. Okay. All right. You can see GU on the higher time frames looking pretty bearish. Okay. But we have 4 hour and daily opportunities coming in here. Gold is not really showing anything here. Okay, you can see NASDAQ is just kind of mid-range as well. All right, GJ kind of the same thing. Oil, pretty similar. Okay, so I'm looking at US 30 and GU for maybe some higher time frame opportunities. Okay, there goes the Dow holding. No, Ken, you got the quizzes in the background. I was just trying to create some fun on the stream, make it relaxed. Okay, dollar's still pushing. Okay, so we can erase that. So we're all on the same page here. Throwing some moving averages just to see. There's been some requests for a couple people to see those. Okay. Look at gold here. It's just kind of mid-range. All right. You can see the Dow. Guys, the Dow has good opportunity here. All right. It's kind of showing some nice volume. Okay, in both directions so far. You can see right to the left, this is where some previous buyers kind of took control. Okay, so watch and see here. If we do get some buying stepping in here, watch for that 236 to be tapped, but we need to break that 9 EMA and these big bearish candles here. Okay. Okay, so right at the golden zone, all three lines are almost alike. I will keep the 9 on here actually. A lot of people request that, so definitely don't mind keeping that. Alright, let's play some fill-in games here. Think Nasdaq will be bearish today, guys. Indices look hella bearish from even last week, so there's a lot of opportunity for that to happen. Okay, so like crossword, guys. Like I said, we're not going to focus on this 100% of the time, but we can watch. And we'll start this maybe after the new hourly here, just to fill in some time. Okay. Okay, so we have the dollar pushing with some significant strength right now, coming back up. Like I said, I do believe we are bullish. Okay. Look at gold strength here. Look at the Dow holding some. Okay. I don't know where the Dow went. Vic, yeah, I know I'll be doing that this week, dude. Interesting. Okay, so we'll do this over again. For some reason it got erased. Alright. So you can see here my highs to my lows, my rejections, okay, from the top all the way to the base here. Okay, if we do fall and break some more, alright, I'd like to see on the 4-hour where we can get to. Okay, 4-hour is hella bearish here. Okay, so we'll go back down to our hourly. Okay, and if we do tend to break us, I'm looking at 33,800. Okay. And if we hold here, we can probably push back. Let's see, we go. There we go. Perfect. Lisa, which one are you talking for? The pump and dump. It's coming back to supply. Yeah, we'll check that out. So here's the 15, guys. Okay, ignore the lines here. Okay, we're just going to monitor this, and I'm going to mark this as a neutral gray. We held once, but we don't know if we're going to hold again. If it does start to break, then that has a lot of bearish volume stepping in ready to drop. Okay. Playing chess makes your life organized? Absolutely. So does trivia, actually. I was away and I played so much trivia, and I realized, man, this is fun. I should implement this on the stream. Alright, guys, there goes the dollar. Okay, so let's take a look at the 5 here. Two minutes and 30 seconds for the new hourly coming in here, guys. All right, so now we're looking pretty clean and healthy on the Dow. All right, GU we're still dropping, so I guarantee gold is starting to drop there. All right, so this is what I wanted to see. Is gold going to hold this trend line? All right, if we break down, okay, which it's going to need some volume. All right, we're going to go from 618 all the way back down to 0.5. And if we hold here, you can see to the left how many times we have with the previous resistance. We're going to roll left to 786. I'm just waiting for about under 2 minutes. Okay, so here we go. Here's the new hourly coming in. Okay, so here we go. Let's see the Dow starting to hold, guys. Look at gold starting to break. Okay. Remember, we're right around that 200. Okay, so if it does break, it's going to break with some volume. There's really not much left in the tank in terms of volume that happened on that new open. Okay, if that does tend to hold here, okay, I'd like to see maybe something close above. And we'll watch. Yes, we are bearish, but I'd like to see if we can get some close here to start to test the waters on the 200. Okay. Right up in there. Okay, watch now the new candle open here, okay? Look at GU still holding a bit. Goldie trying to as well. Okay, so nothing closing just yet here. Watch the last 2 minutes. Okay, there's XAU still holding. All right, look at the DXY. Okay, so nothing closed yet. Nothing closed. Okay, let's wait. 33,900. So if we take a look on the higher time frame, take a look at what we're dealing with here. Okay. All right, so still holding, dancing in there. Okay, so Goldie's still holding too. Okay, so looking clean. Dow still dancing around here. Okay. Look at gold, same thing. Okay, so the dollar is starting to break down here. Okay, Goldie's starting to hold. All right, so nice volume has stepped in here in the second candle. All right, you can see the dirty is starting to hold here. Okay, so see why it's kind of neutral on this. Okay, it found some nice support due to the left. Okay, starting to, but this 9 EMA is getting some heavy resistance due to this right here. Okay, so we'll watch, be patient, and relax. Where would be a good space on gold? I would say the alarm. Okay, that's why I kind of set both of these. You can see that if we broke down here, the buyers stepped in, and if we got to this level here to the left, a lot of sellers kind of made a move. All right, so right now the dollar is kind of dropping here. Okay, so nice resistance. Good call. I forget who said that in the group. A little bit of a pump, then a little bit of a dump here. So 786 here, now continuing. We just got to see if we're going to get past this 9 EMA. All right. Hey, Goldie is strong. Okay, nothing's still closing above yet. Okay, so let's go take a peek real quick on this 15-minute. Okay, so guys, take a peek here. Look at where we're now approaching on our 15-minute time frame. Okay, we got that 200 EMA just kind of hovering over there. All right, so if this does pop with volume, okay, that's why I said 786, okay, will be the target. And if you look to the left, like I said, that's going to be there where we're potentially looking for that short. Okay, if not, then it could get some rejection here and start to break down. We'll watch and see. Jim trying to sell. Let's see how it plays out for sure. Okay, there's the hold. Okay, it's still getting denied at that 9 EMA. Okay, so GU's made some nice moves today too, guys. Just watching and seeing. Okay, so candle got rejected. See over the product placement here? Okay, see how it's exactly at the resistance point. See the previous candle? Okay, so nothing closed above. All right. So right now, we're probably going to come right back in here. Watch our zero level. If this breaks, guys, then like I said, we have that 33800. And that's what I mentioned to show you the 4-hour. Okay, so higher time frame, still bearish, looking to fill those wicks. 15-minute nice resistance too. Okay, nothing clearing above our 236, and the 5-minute is coming down. So we'll watch and monitor this. Okay, and there goes Goldie. Nice rejection too. Ivan, can I check NAS? Yeah, for sure. Give me 3 minutes here. We'll check it at the first 15-minute candle. No problem. Okay, then there's the hold on the dollar so far. Okay, so still holding here. Still dropping back down. Nothing closed. All right. First 15-minute candle is going to look pretty clean, actually. I like to see the dollar here one more time. Sorry to keep flipping, guys, but I like to see how this 15-minute candle could play out. Okay, that's what I wanted to see. So see how we have that nice resistance to the left? Starting to hold on the DXY. That's kind of what I wanted to see here. Okay, so nice, clean, heavy resistance at our 786. And you can see the gold is pushing the same route. Yeah, there was a spike on gold. It's interesting. You got 15-minute, then you got COMEX open. Okay. Guys, has anyone been to Arizona? I was there actually spending a bit of time for vacation and had a great meeting for the SST kill shot. I actually had some very interesting people interested in it. It was great. Yeah, I did go golfing, guys. Yep. I played 3 out of the 5 days I was there. I played okay. So let's mark that up here so we all are on the same page. The kill shot teaser is badass. It is. That's just the first one too. I can't wait to share that with you. Experience of snow in winter? Oh no. Welcome to Canada. Oh, in Arizona, yeah. We left actually yesterday and it was raining. I'm not supposed to do that there very much, but at least you live in Arizona. I was in Sedona. It's gorgeous there. What are we waiting for on gold? I would like to see maybe, like I said, the 15-minute candle then COMEX, okay, before any kind of bigger move. I am still bearish biased on gold, so this will be real interesting here to see how it plays out. He was telling us he blew his account on the same way the battleship sank. Haven't done that an account like that in a while, so I'm happy to say that one. Kill shot looks complicated. It is complicated, but once you get used to it, okay. So nothing closing below. This is good. Last 15 minutes, guys, leading into COMEX open. All right. Yep. Can quickly show you right here. I don't know if this is going to delay the stream or not. So I'm only bearish if it closes below the 200 EMA, guys. If not, then it's still probably going to follow suit. The DXY is getting some rejection here. Okay. Sweet, guys. There we are. 300 people tuning in. Thank you so much. Have about 300 on Zoom too, so we got a lot of people tuning in. Let's see if we can smash those likes all the way up to 150, guys, right away. And then obviously the goal is 300. So let's go to this stock sniper trading. Let's see who's creeping the profile here. The guide is for the people who purchased the kill shot. Okay, so let's just play this for you guys, just so you can quickly see here. Then we'll head back. And this is for the people who've already just asked me about it. Okay, like I said, we got about 2 minutes here till we have about, 3.5 minutes till COMEX open. Tons of time. Pending loading, so we might pause it here and then come back right after COMEX open, to be honest with you. We'll see. A little delayed here, guys. Okay, so I'll let it load, and I'll come right back to it after COMEX. An idiot's guide? No, we'll have a guide, promise you. Yeah. Okay, guys, so let's see here if we get that break below the golden zone. Looking for that zone-to-zone trade. We could have a nice little push on COMEX, so let's just watch. What is COMEX commodities market open at 8:20? There is a guide for the kill shot, guys. It's when you purchase. I know it sounds stupid. When you purchase it, yes, we'll be uploading some videos just to show you how it's actually how many risk management opportunities it has to protect your account, and also how it executes and how some days it ignores. Okay, it try to find the best FVGs it could with possible volume and order flow involved. Okay, so have I taken any trades? I did take a Dow buy this morning, and I was in gold sells from last week. I was in from 1928.34. Okay, and I exited both of them with 0.5, 0.5. So I took partials on both. Is it a very good trading bot? You guys can download it and let me know for yourself. Obviously, I'm going to say it is, but you need to give me your feedback. Sherry, yes. You have to have a high performing PC. Yes, that is very true, because obviously your internet provider has to be on point. So guys, 1 second here. But see how we're coming to COMEX open and price is starting to flip. Okay, so right down in there, it's good. So we have the dollar and gold both kind of showing the same formation here with a little bit of a spin top candle. Okay. Nasdaq. Yeah, I would use VPS, yes. Okay, gold is holding, guys. Dow, nothing closing above yet. Still getting some resistance here. What's VPS, guys? Do you want to drop that in for my man, David? Okay, so we have nothing closed above just yet. Still watching that 0 level. If that breaks, okay, then that's when we can get that nice fall for the continuation back down to 33,800. All right, so we'll watch and see here. Let's watch gold. Okay, so there goes gold, guys. Looks pretty good here. Yeah, I saw US 30 coming down. Just watching here. There goes the DXY, guys. There goes the push. Okay, so a little bit of a pullback. A new hourly, then we have the continued volume. So looking for that follow through. Right, so let's see if we can get that death cross here, guys, with the follow suit. Look at the Dow here starting to come nicely in the continued trend here. Nothing closed above just yet. Heavy resistance on the 9 EMA. Okay, most likely it's going to come back down to 33,800. Okay, so we'll watch and see here. Let's take one quick peek. All right, at the 30. All right, there we go. Last 15-minute here coming in into our 30-minute candle. So let's see if there's any divergent plays here. There's divergence kind of showing here, so this looks pretty clean. Okay, let's watch and see the next little bit on the hourly. So a little bit of divergence here, not too much. Let's go back to the 5. Okay, we'll take a look at the scanner real quick. All right, so remember, we got out of the daily. All right, had a little bit of a pullback here. All right, then we're looking at the 4-hour. Okay, so we'll watch and see what's going to happen here on our 30-minute candle. Now I would actually bring this back down here, see if we're going to get any kind of closure on that 0 level. If not, then we are going to fall. The weed, I'm ready with you, buddy. Let's just watch and see this DXY. So there goes GU, guys. Nice continued sell. Everything is starting to drop. There goes gold. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, so see how we did it a little bit below? All right. If we got closure below that 200, that's when I would have said, yeah, guys, let's get into a possible selling opportunity for me. Okay. Now we can see the dollar is pushing into a nice highs. Okay, that's what I kind of was waiting for. All right. And then there goes the hold. Okay, so Goldie's just holding right above now, pushing above that trend. Okay, nothing really making a lower low so far. We are holding. Okay, and then you can see the Dow is still starting to drip down a bit. So that 4-hour candle is now holding a lot of weight. All right, I'm just waiting for the new candles to start to open here. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Take a look at the 15 here. Perfect. Gold is coming back. Very nice. So everything is dropping, guys. Like generally you have Dow opposite of gold. Okay, there goes Goldie. Okay, guys, there goes rate tapping here. All right, let's see if we can get below. This is that area though, okay? So we've had nice support here and it's been previous resistance. So if it breaks here, it's coming right back on the golden zone, all right? Yeah, today has been choppy. Generally, Mondays are okay moving. Tuesdays can be all right too. Am I still jet lagged? Yes, a little bit. You can't do anything about it though, guys. You know, when you travel, it's just kind of how it is. You gotta accept it. Okay, there goes the Dow here. Still holding. Okay. So I brew it down, okay, right to where the previous level support was. Jet lagged going to the bank all his profits? No, 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 nothing like that. Jet lagged. Drop. We watched Miami. Did drop 70. I didn't watch anything, guys. I was on the plane. I did watch John Wick 4 though. I don't know if anyone's seen that one. That one's pretty good. Okay, so gold, guys, nothing's still breaking below. Nothing even tapping yet. Stepping in, guys. Yeah, gold is holding. Nothing breaking down. So remember when I kind of just, when it dropped past that zero level, I quickly looked for maybe some divergence. Yeah, that's kind of what I was looking for, maybe this move to happen. All right, so we'll see here if we get some closure above that zero. All right. What the hell is that? Oh. All right, so sounds like there's a dolphin in the back of the farm over there, guys. I don't know. So look at gold, he's still holding. There goes our dollar here. Okay, so this right here, this drop, I want to see that 786 because we've made a new high, which is beautiful. Okay, high pulled back. Okay, high pulled back. I want to see right in here. Okay, this level right here, because if we break down, we can start to get a nice little fallback. Okay. Don't enter in gold randomly yet. Wait till we get some closure below, because if we don't, then we'll look up for the maybe 1926. Okay, maybe even a little higher, maybe our 1929. Okay, so let's just watch and see here. I like the Dow a lot cleaner for today. Okay, gold is just a little bit of a kick in the nuts so far. There's the Dow. Okay, so this is what I wanted to see right here. 1,000 big ones for the kill shot. It is a bit pricey, guys. So like I said, just download the free one, see if it makes sense for you. I don't even want to tell you how much I've had someone offer me for that. The source code alone. Okay, so nothing closed above again. Nice resistance here. We're going to watch that zero zone. And it's all to do with that dollar. We've got a little bit of a head fake. Okay, there we go. Look at these long wicks at the bottom, guys. Notice how gold has not broke above 25 though. It has not closed above. All right, every time it comes near 1925, which is this level right in here, see those little humps? My lovely lady humps. Okay, black eyed peas. You can see them, rejection here, pushing back down. We have not broke above yet. All right. And then Dow got pushed down a little bit. So nothing's closed above yet. Okay. Roger, see we're going for gold. Brian, let's see if I'm even right though. Could be completely wrong. So GU kind of same following suit here, looking bearish. How many wicks is that? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Oh, look at gold, guys. Gold's teaching us a lesson today. How to be patient. Do we trade JPY pairs? Sometimes we do. We sent an odd JPY one last week that ran 15 pips, looking for the retest. Okay, I looked at Chef JPY today. All right, and I did look at GBP JPY. I'm pretty. I know it's gonna sound crazy, bullish on GJ. All right, but we'll see how that goes. Generally, it's like a EU or GU type of pair that we're looking for. Am I bullish or bearish on EU? I think EU can go a little bit bullish, okay, to be honest with you, but we'll see. There is some good news coming this week from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, so this will be a nice opportunity for us to kind of see what happens there. I don't think it's going to happen crazy moves today, guys, to be honest with you. As you can see, gold it's just barcoding. So, and look at, see, nothing closing above here, still getting some resistance. Will I take the buy if we close above the 9? Yeah, I will look for, I promise I would look for some buy opportunities here, but we need some more closure above. All right. Okay, there's our dollar here, still getting some resistance. So see what I mean here? Still holding. All right, nothing closed below. So if we don't get anything just breaking through, okay, then like I said, we're going to push up to our 26 and even potentially an R1 level here. Rico, you looking at that area too? Nice, bro. Nice. Thinking about lovely lady humps. Yeah, that song is addicting, guys. Okay, so see nothing closed below. Still riding up. What's up, everyone? What's going on? Buyers too risky. Right now, the buyers are still holding, and that's why I just kind of put it right below that 200. We've been talked about and traded so many times where we set it right at 200, and we're like, okay, let's try to get into a nice opportunity here. Wham, bam, they reject you, ma'am, and then they take your money and walk away. It happened to me too, right? So that sounds like let's place it a little bit below. Let's watch the golden zone, and if anything does start to close below there, then we'll look. But right now, you can see they're still respecting that, and there it goes. All right. So for me, nothing on Goldie just yet. All right. I like the Dow. Like I said, that was a nice clean move. There we go. But again, I'm still bearish on gold, guys. I still am. I still think the dollar can push. Okay, there it goes. Okay, guys, I'm in from 33,915. See if we can get that push on the Dow. Yeah. Gold, I'm going to leave alone. All right, we're going to maybe look for a little bit of a higher move here. Okay, so see what I mean? That's the area that we're looking for. Remember I mentioned to you, we just kind of let it roll out. But that would be a nice resistance area right in there. Look at previously to the left. Okay. I didn't take this, but again, if we look to our previous structure, that would have been a nice, beautiful move here. So I'm still actually just going to put it back to where it was. And then watch, see. Guys, remember, if you don't want to be a part of anything, we still have about an hour and a half on the stream, so you can sit back and relax. Okay, you can watch until New York open, and we can even catch the counter move. That's my favorite time, to be honest with you. This time before is not always the best. I do like gold, okay, but gold wasn't moving the way it normally does at this time. Okay, that's why I kind of like wanted to focus maybe on the Dow a bit. No bottom wick on the 5 minute. Don't bother me. Okay, so see the resistance here coming in. 8 seconds, guys. Let's watch the new candle here. Then let's take a look at this last 15-minute. You can see we're nothing breaking above here, guys. Okay, so again, if you're not wanting to be part of this, all right, you can see what's kind of forming on the 15. A little bit of spin tops. There it goes. And gold is still rising, guys, for all the gold diggers here, looking pretty clean. Nice. market is floating on a bubble of debt? Absolutely it is. Okay, so clean resistance here. Guys, I'm going to let gold kind of play out, let it do its thing here. We do know that this is an opportunity. I'm not even going to mess around with it. We can find a little bit better of an entry than this now. Okay, so the price held the 200 EMA, held the golden zone. So that's going to be an original add if we do get down there. Okay, but for right now, she's looking pretty bullish. Okay. There's the dollar. Yeah, sometimes it takes a bit of time, guys. I know it's boring, but remember, good things take time. Okay. There goes gold, guys. He rockets to the top. There it goes. Okay, nice 2-bar play here, opening up, filling wicks. All right. So this is showing me there's obviously a ton of volume here. Remember, we kind of described these wicks. All right. And now we're going to come to a clean area of resistance. This looks like a little bit better opportunity to me. Okay. So I'd like to see the new candle open, and if we do push and break the resistance here, guys, we're going to come back up to 1930, 1928.5. What happened to the game? Guys, market started to pick up a bit. I think we'll leave the game alone for today. It's kind of hard to do both. The 15-minute time frame would be easiest to watch that on. I'm not really interested in doing that. So okay, so still holding. Okay, so double rejection coming in here. Nice clean candle. Just under 1 minute left. All right, guys, this is going to be our last 15-minute candle of this hourly time frame. Okay, I'm going to take a 2-second break. I will be right back. All right, and we'll continue leading into market open. What is the best currency pair to trade at this time? Honestly, I would say gold is really nice. Okay, the indices are pretty nice too. Generally, this is just a really choppy session. All right, it is Monday, right? So I guarantee they're going to pick up around market open. But that's a good question. All right, Chris, I am still in the Dow buy, yeah. Yeah. If we don't get more volume here, I will probably close it around break even and wait to New York, just because I don't want to deal with that volatility. I do think gold is actually coming to a nice position too. All right, we're at nice positions on both. Okay, there goes gold. Okay, so NASDAQ buy a little bit. Okay, so remember that for the people who are looking. Okay, there goes gold, guys. Numbers, just take those in, mark down on your chart. Okay, so there we go. Okay. Let's just see how this is going to play out. I'm not going to take this, but let's just see how this would have played. Okay. I'm not taking it because I'm in the Dow currently. Okay, let's just see. This is kind of what we were waiting for here. Okay, so this is the last 15 minute here. I'm going to take a quick second break. I just have to get run to the washroom. Sorry guys, I'm not a camel here. All right, I will be right back. And like I said, if you don't want to be part of this, you're right at some break-even levels. You can close now. But give me 2 seconds, guys, and I will be right back. Moo 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 camel. I know, right? Awesome, guys. So as you can see, we're still holding here. Let's go take a peek at gold. So still dancing, still holding. Gold is correlated with the DXY. I did see that too, guys. Okay, there we go. So DXY is pushing all-time highs, guys. This should reject the gold pretty hard, but you can see here it's not really giving it exactly what we're looking for. Here's the break. There goes gold. Okay. So we're testing our one level now. Okay, we just made some highs. Okay, on this chart, and it was in the 5 minute. You can see we broke structure here. Okay, so this is looking clean. Most likely we get a little bit of a pullback. We might get an impulsive push here. Okay, let's go take a look at this 15-minute candle. So M pattern or new high all the way up to, I would say, I guess 105.850. Do I think gold will drop in the market open? We'll take a peek at it. Yeah, I have no clue what's going to happen at market open. Actually, we'd have to see what the COT data is talking about, and then just watch actual price leading into it. Okay, so I need to switch this. Dow's still looking strong, clean. Okay, so gold, see how they flipped the script last minute. So this is probably going to, I would say, push. Okay, see how they cleanly did the wick down there? Pushed it right up at 786. Okay, there goes the Dow here. The wick was, I didn't even see the wick, guys. I just saw it after. So there it goes. There goes the Dow. Nice. We need to break above here, okay? This area is where the resistance was. There we go. How and when do you find the place to fib? Generally from the hourly Mad Fuzz. Sorry, I don't know. I'm sorry if I bastardized that name, bro. I don't mean to call you Mad Fuzz. Just watch some of the videos that I did a couple weeks ago. All right, that might help you with just the way I do it. Everyone's different, you know. Everyone is different, so it could be completely erroneous to what you do. Okay. All right, there goes Goldie coming right back down. Let's watch this retest here. Okay, so see how they pushed it right back up, guys. These fibs don't lie, you know. Shakira, hips don't lie, fibs don't lie. All right, look at that. Nice wick support. Nice wick support. Okay. Let's watch and see here. Today there's no big news. I agree. There's nothing here. 9 a.m. there's Euro news, I believe. We have a speaking event here. Oh yeah, guys, the like button. Let's see what we got going on here. I probably got like 4 likes, maybe 6. Wick. Oh, 150, guys. Amazing. Let's see if we can smash these to 300 right away, guys. I'll stay till 10 o'clock if you want to. Regardless, members will stay till 10 anyways. All right. Where's Morrow? Is Morrow in here? Let's see, my man. All right. So see the Dow is getting a little bit of rejection here. I did say this was that general area where the resistance is pretty strong. Okay, so we got to take a peek at that previous rejection candle right there. Okay. First Fergie, now Shakira, yeah. James, tell me where, can you drop the chart, bro, where you see the double top? Yep, new hourly coming in, perfect, absolutely. Okay, I see what you mean, like a double top down there coming in. James, show me your hourly fib from top to bottom, okay? Use the line chart. What do you guys think? Should we use the line chart here? Just turn these candles into lines? I personally don't think so. But it's crazy how I told you, everybody has their different ways of doing things. Will there be an MT4 version of the bot? Yes, we will do that. I'm looking at making NinjaTrader first and maybe some other platforms. Quant Tower, maybe Bookmap. MT4 is, I don't know. It's different. MT5 is way safer for everyone. Lines, yeah, well, that's exactly it. Oh, W pattern? Nice. Let's see. Azraf, you update on the line charts. You let us know, okay? I've never really used line charts. It's like I use them obviously on Excel with some graphs. I've noticed them on the prop firms, but other than that, never really was into that. I need more characteristics showing than a line. A curve on a line doesn't really tell me anything, but a few wicks on a candle, they do tell me something. NinjaTrader is good, guys. Yeah, NinjaTrader is good. Okay, so there's the retest, guys. So here's the break. There goes gold, actually. Shit, gold looks good. Okay, so that's a pretty steady engulfing candlestick on gold, guys. This thing is going to drop here, probably back down. All right, let's see what we got going on. So do you guys see, like, we were looking down here, okay? All right, because price didn't break above 25. All right, see all those wicks rejections. So like, okay, let's just maybe test the waters and see if it's going to break the golden zone. You can't lie though. Structure runs this game. Okay. All right. If you look to the left, we should have just waited for this to come to it. I did mention if we don't close below or get a sell down here that this is going to be the area. And take a look at how nice that opportunity is. If we break this is what we couldn't break before, the downtrend, guys. If this breaks, you know, I can see gold falling all the way back down to our 19 golden zone, which is our 618. So we can watch. Okay. No, I didn't take this, guys. I just had this on here for you guys just to show you about previous structure. But no, I did not execute anything on gold, which is weird. Usually I do. So there goes the Dow. See the rejection coming in here? I told you that was the problem area. Nothing breaking above. All right, coming back down right to our zero level. Okay. James, good call on that, bro. You can see now what's the dollar doing. There it goes. So remember we talked about a cool off happening here. Here's the volume that can really push, guys. Let's see what we got going on here. Is the last candle, so the bearish engulfing candle, a ignite? Is that a candle? Okay, good question. Have someone on YouTube asking about the cool off candle here. What type of candle is that bad boy? That big red one. That's not an FU candle. That one is not an FU. That's an engulfing candlestick. All right, that's a nice bearish ignited rejection candle. Okay, that one's clean. All right, and you just look to the left. Same kind of idea. Pretty much same candle happened. Nice resistance, engulfing candlestick starting to follow through now. Yeah, Dow got rejected here, coming right back in to our zero level. All right. Okay, I want to see that SP for 1 sec here, guys. Nasdaq, same thing, pretty choppy. Okay, so same thing. SP is showing nice bearish volume here. Okay. I always tend to check out the SP just to see the volume if it's kind of correlated with the Dow. Okay, Dow does tend to follow suit. Okay, there it goes here. So still holding at our zero. Okay. And you can see Goldie's still ranging too. There it is, the new hourly. Okay. So new hourly brings new volume, obviously, and this is going to be the New York stock market open, guys. All right, keep this in mind. Yeah, I'll just mark that up there so you guys know. Not trade. Hey guys, sorry about that. I don't know what happened on that one. My computer just kind of froze. Okay, so gold's still holding. Look at the Dow, drop back down, guys. So still came back, didn't hold above. It said that was a resistance area here. Coming back down to 33800. All right. So let's watch and see here what price we're going to get to for our next big move. Okay, there goes gold. Am I still holding it down? I am actually, yeah. Give myself a little bit wider of a stop loss, guys. Okay, there goes gold, clean. DXY here, nice push still. Okay, you can see Dow is sucking up wicks. Okay. Everything is getting rejected here. GU, nice push down. That's why kind of similar to gold. Okay. Okay, guys, gold looks pretty clean here. Okay, guys, I took a little late entry on gold here. All right. Just as it crossed over that 9 EMA. Did I close my Dow buy? I did not. Actually, I widened my stop loss a bit. It's not a larger lot size, so I can hold it a bit more. There goes gold. Nice. Let's see here. Good question, though, guys. Thank you for asking that. Okay, so hold up on gold here. It's going to be these wicks to the left. Yeah, let's go take a look at that dollar here. The doll hair. All right, okay, guys. So short. This is going to have a nice squeeze. There it goes. Wow. Finally, we get the pop here. Gold should be dropping, but you can see it's not. It's still holding. Okay. See, Dow is still getting some resist starting to hold here too. Okay, looking good. Let's take a look at GU2, guys. Okay, so GU is starting to tank right now. Okay. There we go. All right. There goes gold. Let's see. Gold right here, guys. This is the most important part for me. Is this trend line. This is what sucked price up before. Everything is selling, guys. everything that's dropping off right now. Market open has the ability to flip it, but this is still a bearish market. Okay. Okay, there goes gold, suck price up. So see what I mean? The previous resistance starting to hold. Okay. Let's see what we got going on here. Okay, guys, I'm going to get out of that Dow trade just before market opening. Give it a bit more time here. Want to see the first 15-minute candle. Gold is the main focus for me right now. There it goes, guys. Okay. Okay, so this should be pushing price down. And you can see it's just dancing right now. Okay, so 1 minute. Here we go. Last 5-minute close. Looking clean here. There goes the Dow. All right. Okay, there comes gold with the retest. So 33800 on the Dow, guys. Okay, you can see here starting to get some fall through here. All right, this is going to be my next big level. Let's take a peek at the hourly. Haven't done that since we flipped over. Actually, let's go take a look at that 4-hour. There we go. So these are my two levels to the left. Okay, so we can watch right here. Price picked up some volume around 33800. All right, which is nice. Okay, and if we did break there, you got 33618. Okay, so nice looking top M pattern here. All right, follow through top neckline. I thought we were going to get a little bit of retracement here, but that did not happen, as you can see. Still opportunity for it to come in here. All right, and if not, then we are going to continue in that bearish trend. All right, let's go take a look at gold too. There we go on gold. Okay, let's see if we can make up for that Dow trade. Oh, there we go, guys, coming right back here. That was last 10-minute candle here. First 10-minute candle. Holy shit, look at that. Dollar got rejected. Ooh. Let's see that Euro news real quick. Okay, so let's go take a peek at EU real quick. Okay, gold retesting. It's at 786. Dow still holding. All right, there we go. And there's GU. There we go. Nice. Let's see if we can break, guys. Let's watch this 9. It's just dancing around here. Let's see if gold can pay a couple bills. There it goes to the hold. Let's see if gold can pay a couple bills here. Let's go take a look at that EU for a sec, just because that news. Wow, guys, look at that. EU, same as GU, gold. So everything's kind of dumping off here. So right back down at 1925, guys. All right. Wow, there it goes. Look at that. Big break, retest, continuation. Where's the DXY going to head to? Like I mentioned to you, we do have the overall higher time frame as 1618, that 106 level. Okay. So just watch and see here. That's going to be the target for maybe this week. All right, we'll watch and see. I do like how they broke above here. A lot of opportunity. Okay. Still bullish on this dollar, man. Look at gold here, right on the hourly as well. Okay. So nothing breaking above. That's why I was kind of biased towards the short. And we get some wick up on the Dow here. There it goes. Nice. Okay. So this was the original sell we came to. Let's watch and see if price is going to get back down. We're going to come right to the 200. Yep, take a look at the Dow here. There's that big wick. Okay, there's that support around 33800. It's not looking like they're going to grab much more liquidity, but they can push it right back down and tap 338. Still heavy selling. So see the neutral zone. I'm actually going to bring this back down here too and draw one down. And quickly draw to my left. Goldie's dumping, guys. This is beautiful. Where are we at, bad boy? There we go. Okay. So right back in here, there goes gold, guys. Perfect. So there's that 4-hour wick. We're looking at right here to see if we're going to hold that zero. It dropped down, okay, just like anything, okay. And you can see getting a little bit of wick up. So let's watch and see that new open, okay. There it goes. But gold is paying the day right now. There it goes. There it goes. Okay. Okay, so there's the wick up. Previous level, same thing happened. You can't really deny that. How many times? I need gold to break through the 618, guys. Okay, for sure. Secure some. You can see we're starting to hold a bit. The dollar's probably going to retrace. Yeah, there we go. Some highs. Okay. And there's the Dowser. Should you hold gold? I would maybe move it to break even to protect yourself if you would like to. Okay, I still think it can drop here, but we'll see. What was my lot size on the Dow? it was 0.5. Right, there goes gold. See what I mean? It can possibly hold. Let's watch and see here the momentum. Here coming into. All right, we got about 13 minutes till market open, guys. Rodney, I still have it. I still got it, yeah. If you guys do not feel comfortable, remember, 10-minute market open can be a lot of volatility, okay? Okay, so let's mark up some volume here. This is nice, actually. It's starting to hold another wick. Okay, so we can see here pretty clean as day. We have some neutral support here. All right, so we break there, guys. I'm looking for a fall back down to 0.5. There goes the Dow here. Now watch. They've already built some. Okay, so this is interesting position for me. All right, they've already built some foundation right in here. Okay, so it's coming to the zero. You can see how 33800 started to hold. All right, they could. You're coming right back to break even. All right, so no, sorry, not break even, a little bit below. All right, so maybe around 20, 25 pips some drawdown. All right, let's watch and see what happens at this zero level. This is very, very critical because this can act as some resistance as well. All right, GU's finding a little bit of a bounce. And there goes gold. Sarah, you went oil? Let's see where we're at on oil, guys. We did send a oil trade here. There it goes, almost. Just almost made it here. Found some support. A little bit beforehand, okay? So beautiful move. Nice move, guys. Have you guys caught that? Okay, so see the rejection here? That's what I mentioned. It could act as some resistance, okay? And there goes gold. Okay, so we want to move this 200, guys. Let's take a look at the scanner real quick. See what's kind of presenting itself with at this market open here. Okay, guys, look at GU here on the higher time frame. Okay, giving us into a nice position where on the higher time frame could be potential buys this week, but we'll watch and see. Okay, you can see gold is still dropping off here. This is a beautiful move, guys, if we can get this fall. Is anyone still in gold? Still holding gold with me on this? Hopefully this is a payday for you. Okay, the Dow is a bit of a mishap right now, so we'll watch and see. All right, there it goes. You got stopped out at break even on gold. Hey, there's nothing wrong with that. I'm sure maybe that one got you out. Okay, that little bit of a wick up. Looked like a clean stop loss rate to me. All right, there goes the Dow rejection. Where's the target for gold? I'm going to look at that 0.5, 1921, okay? We're coming to the last 5 minutes, guys. We'll take a look at the Dow here. NASDAQ, you guys already have some opportunities that I sent you, so we'll see how that's going to play out. If gold doesn't break here, okay, we can see clear as day. The gray area is neutral, but it's looking like it's starting to hold to some support. Nice sell on NASDAQ on Friday. Yeah, bro, it's beautiful. Honestly, I was biased towards some buying opportunities. Like it had the nice little pump, and then midway through the day, everything switched. Okay, and all of a sudden it just tanked. Actually, our admin who got this sell was really, 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 really good call. Phenomenal. All right, so we've been bearish since last Friday. All right. Let's go take a look at that dollar here. Okay, and Dow is still getting a little bit of bounce here. So far, what I see right now is, like I said to you, that block to the left. Okay, it's starting to hold some resistance here. Okay, new candles coming in right now. You can see they're opening up bullish. All right. Let's watch and see the retest here. The only thing that's concerning me is this big old dirty wick down here. That tends to get filled. Looks like maybe a double top. All right. So I'm in from here, guys, currently down about 30, 25, 30 pips. Okay. If gold can still drop, it'll make up for it, no problem. And there we go. Let's see. All right, last 4 minutes, guys. We're going to watch and see here. Here's the Dow. Okay. All right, so let's mark up our rules, guys. Move your stop loss to break even if you're on gold. Okay, we're approaching that original selling area. I'm going to mark some stuff up here. There goes gold, guys. Let's see. Okay, yeah, so if you're new, don't trade 9:30. Okay, New York Stock Open, maybe wait 5-10 minutes. Okay, don't over leverage, guys. There it goes. Oh, yes, baby. Payday for gold. Come on, baby, give us this. Okay, and then use stop loss and your trailing stop where applicable. Okay, so watch the Dow. See how Dow got rejected? There goes gold. Where are you? Nice. There we go. Okay, I am going to post My entry here on the free FX group. Okay, we'll head over and do the Dow. There it goes, guys. There it goes. There it goes. Just took a little bit of time, guys. Thank you so much for being patient. It's a pain in the ass. I know it. I am good, guys. Holding on that 200. I'm going to secure 75% of that trade and leave a runner. And we'll head over into the Dow now. Okay, let's go take a look at the Dowser here, guys. Remember, if you're not wanting to be involved in shit, just exit now. It's not going to be the end of the world. Trust me, that gold trade would have made it up for you. All right. If it does drop, it's dropping below 33,800, and I'm telling you, it can drop back down, I would say, until 33618. Okay, so let's watch and see. Should we still hold gold moving to market open? Yeah, just move your stop loss, guys. Like, here we go, 7 seconds. Move your stop loss on the profit with gold. Secure some if you'd like. New candle coming in. Okay. Gold just took a fat dump again. Right down closing below. All right, there it goes, guys. Remember, the target is 0.5. Right here is target. So I told you, don't be very nice. Dollar still trying to rise. There goes the Dow. Here we go. Let's watch and see. I need to break here. This is that resistance we need to break. Let's see. If not, this can turn into a double top and sink right back down and fill that wick. All right, let's monitor. Do I own a hawk? No, no, no. That's a rooster over there. There goes gold. Okay, see the rejection of the Dow here. Get a little bit of an impulsive rejection coming in. Really shitty market open if you ask me. Okay, so wait maybe 5-10 minutes for it. Look at NASDAQ, really choppy as well. Okay. Oh, guys, come on, drop it, gold. Give me that. Okay, so see how they wicked up rejection? And there goes gold, almost at our target. I'm going to bring this down here one sec, guys. Sorry. Yeah, don't stress too much about the Dow right now. We have plenty of time here. See, second attempt, rejection. Okay. What structure do you mostly prefer to use fibs? Hourly, 1 hour time frame. Guys, take a look just quickly on gold. Okay, I am going to secure some more on gold here. I don't want to be stuck with my pants down. I'm going to secure another 25%, so 2.5 out of it, and I have some running right now. That was not the best. We'll take a look at gold. See what I mean? Wait patiently. There goes GU still dumping off. Gold is trying to pump. This looks like a possible nice rejection to add. Okay, there goes GJ selling off. All right, NASDAQ got rejected here. Okay, this is still first 5 minutes, guys. Give us some time. A lot of opportunity presenting itself here for either the long or shorts. All right, and then there's German 30 still dumping off. Yeah, I'd like to watch SP, guys. It's very, very correlated, and the Dow Jones follows SP. Okay, so I like to always take a peek at this. And one more thing that we are not doing, which we should, and that's totally my fault, guys. I'm so sorry about this. We need to head over and look at TradingView here. Quickly get a view of what the market is doing. Okay, so most of the higher blue chips are looking bearish here. This is, to me, looking like a bearish market. Okay, so we can probably hold off on everything. Gold is still looking pretty strong at this time, testing at 618. All right, and we're coming to finally the minute close. All right, so the first 5 minutes has gone through. Let's see how they open this up here. You can see Microsoft is down, Berkshire Hathaway is down, Amazon's in neutral, Tesla's down, well, 4%. That's not usual. Okay, Visa's down, JP Morgan's down, Meta's up. Okay, so let's watch. See how they're flipping the script here now, guys? Look at the Dow, quick flip, NQ flip, GJ still holding. And let's see the Dow here. The dollar's flying. Let's see. There we go, guys. Okay, making new highs. Wow, what a big push. Okay. And there goes the Dow. My target on the Dow, if we go bullish, is going to be the 382. Okay, right in here. All right. And if we do get a little bit above, okay, the golden zone would be the next target. But we need to have more follow through. There's a lot of rejection here in this zone. $34,000 around the, it's around that golden zone. Okay, so everything's looking red. I'm almost for certain this thing is going to maybe sell off for a bit more, but we'll see. Goldie's picking up some volume here. Yeah, there goes the second rejection on the Dow. Okay, so watch. So this is going to be now our last 5 minutes before we can look for something. You can see there it goes. Okay, following suit. Nice rejection simultaneously at the previous candle here. Okay, 1, 2. All right, let's go take a look at gold too. It is starting to come back up. Okay, so there goes Goldie. See how it's popping right at the golden zone? I'm going to wait until the last 15-minute candle to execute the next trade. I still have one gold trade running and a small Dow trade running too. Gold has made up for the Dow, so we're just going to see now if we can get another execution before maybe the call is ended. Is it just me or is this thing not updating, guys? This does not look like it's updating. Okay, so it's bearish, guys. Everything looks, from just what I can see, even Disney's down. Can you hold gold? Watch the 9 EMA for gold, guys. Okay, there goes the Dow here. Nice rejection coming in. Let's see SP. Okay, GU found a little bit of a wick. Okay, NASDAQ, some buyers are stepping in. All right. DAX 2, and let's see the SP. Okay, SP kind of got a wick down, starting to hold. Okay, 10 seconds, guys, and we can take a peek at what we're doing here. I still have a little gold runner, yes. Okay, new candle, guys. This is going to lead into our last 15-minute candle until 10. All right, what do we got showing here? Okay. Gold is holding above. Okay, guys, so if you guys grab some here, you can see we're starting to look back up. Let's watch and see. We're right around the moving averages now, okay? Yep. Guys, 1 sec here, 2 seconds. Let me just, gotta help the wife out for 1 second, sorry. Okay, so gold is still holding here, guys. All right. This is going to last 15-minute here. There goes US 30, still closing below, okay? So a lot of range. Okay, there goes gold. I still have a 0.25 runner on gold, guys, with my target going to be that 0.5, okay? Okay, Dow's still indecision here. Okay, GU still rejecting. Look at NASDAQ, guys. Remember I sent you guys that NASDAQ buy here? Where was that? That bad boy. Where was that here? 14675.8. If you guys got that, congrats. Mark that up. One four six seven five. Okay, so watch and see here, coming right down to the rejection. Okay, GJ coming in. Oh, there goes the Dow here. Okay, so looking, there it goes. All right, let's watch and see this zero level. It's either going to act as heavy resistance, like to double wick, or she's going to actually get some support and push through. Right? Can you hold gold? Can just move your stop loss to gold into some profit, depending on where you got in. Move it around 20, 15 pips, and let it run. Okay, that way you're fully secured. Okay, there goes the dollar, still pushing. Gold should be dropping, guys. It's got a lot of lower wicks here, but you can see what's kind of happening on the dollar. We're just flying high. Oh, have Lord mercy. This is a choppy market open. Yeah. Second attempt, guys. This is now the, where is that bad boy? Okay, so look. These are the wicks we need to get past right in here. Look at Goldie flipped. Is down US 30? Yes, it is. US 30 is the Dow Jones. Yeah. So see how the second wick rejection, third wick rejection is coming into play now, guys? Yeah, we can take a look at gold here too. We can focus on both. So there goes gold. You're still holding at that Dow, sorry, at the golden zone. Let's show you the moving averages here, so you can see where they're holding. Okay. Okay, dollar. Okay, so this pullback will probably have the dollar move gold. Okay, so we'll watch and see here. I don't see us really pulling back crazy, but I can see a nice resistance right in here. Okay, so we'll watch and see the price. Can you move? Can we make the stop loss and the break even on gold? Yep, you can. Just take the price that you're at. Say you're in at 1925. Okay, move your stop loss to 1925 or 1922 if you're running in profit. Okay. Let's see the rejection line of the Dow again. All right. We're going to stay till a little bit past 10. There's NASDAQ still holding strong, looking really good. Okay, new candle. Here we go. Last 10 minutes. All right. Goldie made a jump above. Okay. There goes Dow still holding. Gold is building a base. There it goes. Okay. Can I look at EG, like Euro GBP? See this really choppy action, guys. I haven't been part of this choppiness in a while. I feel like we're building a house here. Yeah, I'm still on Dow, Joshy. Still holding the original, man. Too many wick rejections is now showing us that we are battling this out 150%. Okay, there goes gold getting a more volume base. So for the people who are saying that gold is building that, you guys are absolutely correct. Great job at seeing that. Okay, my trade just got stopped out at break even. Okay, so I am out of the original gold runner. I secured most of it, a little bit left, and I made $1 here on that trade. My commission was $1.92 from the 0.25, so I lost money on that trade. The other 3 trades on gold I won. Okay, so we'll watch and see gold here for a bit. I'm still in the Dow, so that is the only one that's running left. We'll watch. Yeah, gold, man. Made nice liquidity grabs. right, there goes the dowser. So we got about 6.5 minutes, guys, until the last little bit of the call. We'll watch and see price. Guys, 220 likes. Is there a possibility by the end of the call we could tap 300? I barely asked this call. It'd be great for just the algorithm. Muchos appreciated if you can for that gold trade. The Dow is a little bit of a shit show right now. I do apologize about that. I wish I could have some more impact on the Dow, like pressing an order and making it move, but I am just a small fish in the big pond. Gold is going up, absolutely. So GU and gold, look at gold compared to GU. Finally, you got GJ. Look at NASDAQ, a little bit of consolidation, push then pull. All right, gold is actually really nice. Okay, so we're right back at our 786, guys. This has the ability to drop again. This would now be the third attempt. Most of these candles have not been this type. You can see from the rejection area, we had one sell-off here, second sell-off, and look at how they've been holding this. Haven't seen this type of volume even in the big bullish play that happened on the 26th. Okay, so I would not be any surprised if this maybe makes a nice impulsive push all the way up to our 1930 level. Okay, if we don't, we're coming right back to our sell side volume. Okay, and we have the Dow here starting to open. And this is going to give us a beautiful time to check our heat map here. What do we have going on? Okay, I got you, dog. Amazon's green. Okay, that's a positive note. The other four big wigs. Nvidia's neutral, Apple, Microsoft, Google just playing neutral volume. All right. Okay, there we go. This is the fifth attempt to break this level, guys. Okay, if not, this thing is going to probably sell off, continuing, but we'll watch and see here. This was the original entry. Okay, I held it all in drawdown. If you guys do not want to hold, okay, with me here, or you don't want to be a part of this, you can actually close around break even. All right. Fifth time's the charm. Let's see here. And let's go take a look at gold. See how we got a little bit of rejection. Okay. Oh yeah, there we go. This is the resistance that's got us, okay? We can break here. This is looking pretty clean. Give it to daddy. Okay, see another one. So I'm going to actually move this neutral zone up here. There's the neutral. Okay. There's that rejection level right in here. CVD flipped. So at least, guys, what could have happened here is if you were still holding, you would have been running in a little bit of profit now. Okay. You would have went into some drawdown with me. All right. But we got to see now, is this have the power to push? Lady Stone, what's up for? Okay, there goes gold rejection again. so you can private message. All right, guys, new hourly 10 a.m. volume coming in. What do we have here? What's left on the table? Okay, gold still holding above that trend line. Remember I told you, for people who say trend lines are not useful, okay, some of them maybe aren't for fitting like their trading style, but like this is respecting it 100%. So based on this 5-minute chime, this is nice. Okay, look at the DXY breaking back down. Okay, here's the retest on the 9, and there goes the Dow. Let's see if we can push. Okay, here it is. Here's the new hour, guys. Scalper Pro buy for US 30 capital comps. So 33917. 33917. We'll see here. So there's the rejection coming in. Okay. See, right at that level. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a volume push. They opening up doji here. Gold is bullish now. Peace miner. Gold is actually selling off from the same area as we took the original sell. That makes sense. Same area. Nothing changed. So this is a static level. I do believe that gold is bullish. Okay. If we can come back down and tap the 618 and push, but we'll see. There we go. Come on. Push, 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 push. Okay, see the rejection here again. This looks like a pretty strong resistance, 33900. Okay, I could see us maybe pulling back, all right, then having that continued flow, but let's watch and see this candle close. You need a hug for holding. How many everyone on here is afraid to hold some trades? How many people have been a part of holding, then getting out, and then it goes in their way, their bias? Okay, so there's the resistance coming in. Take a peek, nothing broke above. All right. Let's watch that 9 EMA now. All right, gold is still dropping down. For the people who ask about static levels, for example, how many people they understand what a static level is? How many people understand? Please let me know what a static level is so I can share it. All right. Okay, so static level, whatever you want to call it, it could be area of resistance, it could be supply, it could be demand, could be the chicken wing pattern, could be the bat wing, you know, whatever you want to do. Static level sell 786. Okay, so it means static means it's just placed there. Okay, so pushed, sold. Okay, same kind of level, pushed, sold. All right, same kind of level here, pushed, sold. All right. So if you find yourself at a level that has had multiple rejections, okay, and you want to go for maybe 5, 10, 15, 20 pips, okay, yeah, we're price action business most times. That's a great way to put it. Okay, this candle would have tricked a lot of people. For me, I really, to be honest with you, I thought maybe we'd get a little bit of a push and a close, but clearly the flip happened at the hourly, and you can see, look at the dollar. They started to hold it right on our line where we drew for the previous resistance, is now holding some support. Okay. So this is the number one thing that I have always got tricked on myself, okay? But patiently I've learned to be happy with what God gives me in this market, and I move on. Okay? When you see this type of candle, okay, and it's like the third or fourth attempt to break a resistance. Okay? A lot of the times that it's not going to get rejected like the third time, it's not going to get rejected the fourth time, it's probably going to break through. But this was surprising to me, even that price rejected and pushed back down. So that was a great grab for the sellers. If you guys caught it, like, congrats. All right, most people that would have maybe stopped you out, and then you would have been happy with you got, or you just wouldn't have even executed again. So let's go take a look at everything else here. What do we got? Okay, dollar still holding. Okay, Dow, nice rejection rate at break even here. Okay, so they did not break above our previous level resistance. It's too strong. The sellers are too involved in the market right now. And let's go take one more quick peek at our heat map. Okay, still neutral. Tesla's driving it, same with Berkshire. Amazon is actually the one probably holding it. Nvidia just flipped. Okay, so this will be interesting. Okay, so we just need maybe Apple and Microsoft or one of these three for tech to flip, and then that would be a nice opportunity to maybe grab some more opportunities for buys. All right, but you can still see here it's just holding right at that zero level. So here's the retest, and then there goes the gold fall. Guys, I'm going to stay till about 10:15, about another 10 minutes. We're going to watch and see how this is going to play out. Wow. This was a better sell-off than the original one. My goodness. This is the candle that's going to get us down to our 0.5. I have the biggest feeling here. Let's watch. There goes the dollar still pushing. Okay, Goldie is still holding the Dow. Stay with me, guys. There goes gold. Stay with me here. And this is roughly a 1-to-1. Okay. There it goes. How many people actually held or got involved with another gold sell, guys? Did you guys grab that? That's a 3-bar play, man. That was an extremely sexy trade. Like, I am sitting here a little bit regret, but you know what it is. This could turn into a double top for the sell-off here. This could be the one. Wow, look at that thing drop. That was a crazy drop, guys. There it goes. Well, 0.5 was tapped. Congrats, guys, if you held that. Okay, Dow's a little bit in coming back to break even now, so you guys can monitor that accordingly. We got about 7 minutes until our last 15-minute candle. What a move here, guys, on gold. All right. So let's take a look at this rate quickly on the 15-minute candle here. Okay, so nice, really choppiness. Ooh, look at that. Okay, this market about to get some buyers stepping in here. It still looks pretty crazy bearish to me, but we'll see. Okay, here we go, guys. Here's 10:10. All right, going to say to about 10:15. What do we got here? What's kind of showing us opportunities? The Dow is still holding around break even. Gold is still selling off. Okay, DXY is still trying to have a push. All right, a little bit of rejection coming in. Okay, you can see the Dow is kind of hovering right at break even here. So if you guys don't want to be involved, like I said, that would have been some profit taking up there. It did run. All right. Raw entry maybe ran about 30-40 pips. It's not bad, but you can still see here now we're just dancing around. Okay. Okay, so let's see if we can get that push. Okay, there we go. Oh, yes, there we go. Here's now the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, seventh, eighth attempt at our previous level resistance at that 33900. Are we going to get volume here, or are we going to get kicked in the tchotchkes again? What's going to happen? Oh, Lord have mercy. Okay, last couple minutes here. On the minutes, it's opened up as rejection again. So, guys, if you are still holding, secure some. All right. Price is just ranging here right now. Kicked in the tchotchkes. Really low volume, guys. Wow. And there goes Goldie. Another hold at support. Okay. 15-minute candles coming in here. Here we go. see the Dow is just holding still below. All right, let's see how this 15-minute candle opens. See what we got going on here. Ooh. Yeah, I'm still here, guys. It's because I'm running in the trade, man. 244 likes, guys. Almost there. Can we smash 300 before the stream ends? Let's see if we can do it. Almost there. Okay, new candle, guys. They have closed it below the 9 EMA, came back to break even. Okay, so it looks like it's pretty choppy, consolidated, still holding. Watch the first 15-minute candle open. All right, we'll see what it looks like on the 5. Okay, still holding here, just really shitty range. Okay, a lot of wick rejection at that same level here. So 33,900, and we know, okay, we know for a fact that's clean resistance. Let's see what we got going on everything else. NASDAQ is looking tight. Okay. Let's see that SP here. DAX kind of found some buyers here. SP found some too. Okay, so see they're creating a doji here. See how they keep rejecting it, closing lower by lower in terms of the wicks. So the gray box was rejected, had previous level sellers. Then they keep closing it below the wicks to the left. All right, we just need to get out of the zone. See 2 wicks here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A lot of resistance here. Once they pushed it past, a lot of resistance to the upside. Okay, so this will be interesting, guys. I'm going to stay for the last 5 minutes here. Then I'm out of here. Okay. See if we can get some movement coming in here. There goes gold. Gold is about to be a sexy bearish flag here, watching for the drop. I'm telling you, if it breaks 0.5, we're going to 382. Okay. Oh, there it goes, guys. There's the drop. There's the drop. Okay, dollar. Look at the Dow still holding. So see what I mean, guys? Nothing's breaking above here. It looks like it's probably still going to drop back down. All right. There's a good attempt. So this should have been some nice selling area right here. I'm still not 100% convinced, but we'll see. It's just going to sell in the continued trend. And we'll check with the heat map one more time. And nothing's really changing. So, guys, with that being said, that's about it. All right. We're not going to be doing as many New Yorks, all right, this week. They're going to be more private. We're going to do a couple like post New Yorks, maybe some pre, all right, for YouTube. So, guys, if you have any questions, I will jet over to the site. Okie dokie. Ask us in here. Okay, get in touch. All right, if there's any questions, please let us know. Give us about 12 hours to get involved and response. Free Discord here coming in. All right, just fill out the steps and you should be good to go. Okie dokie. And yeah, guys, there's the membership. If you want to join, it's up to you. Okay, and that's about it. Okay, so I think the Dow kind of dropped off. Yeah, see what I mean? It didn't hold. So good tries, guys. You give multiple opportunities to collect 30, 40 pips, and then you can see finally the sell-off. So let's take a peek one more time at gold. There goes gold. Guys, was gold sent to Discord? I can't really see. Did you guys get that gold sell based on it? It wasn't? It was last week? Okay, well that should still be updated then. I'm not sure why it's not. I guess brain fart. So awesome, guys. So last week I think we sold off from 25. All right. I'm still holding a little bit of the Dow here. So let's watch and see. I'm still projecting if Dow can hold, we go to 34,000. All right, before I have our next big move. So guys, congratulations on everyone. Gold was a beautiful selling opportunity. Dow we had in and outs. It was a bit choppy today, but you know, it is part of the game. Okay. I hope everyone had a wonderful day. We will resume same time, same channel. Check the Discord. Okay, check everything for updates based on our lives. Okay, guys. God bless. Have a good one. See you soon. Later, guys. Peace. Guys, good job. Oh, sorry. The Dow was a little bit. It's in a bearish downtrend. Okay. Had nice opportunities.
Hey guys, good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome,
Welcome, 30, 40 pips.
welcome to
Right,
the live
but
session of
in
Stocks
all
Never
turn,
Traded.
the sellers
My name is
still
Dave
kept
Gatchell,
control. So
partners
guys,
Ron.
great job.
Let's
If
get
you
down
guys
to business here,
exited
guys.
out with me
In on US 30, sell.
or entered,
Okay?
if you even got
I'm
that
jumping
gold
in.
sell, that's
Guys, that's a
huge.
100 pip drop. Yes,
Okay,
we
today
caught
was
it.
a good
Hey,
day.
guys, 200 pips, please. Secure.
Trading with a perfect broker is the key, which takes you one step ahead. At AAAFX, we have you covered. The future of Forex is zero commission. Here at AAAFX, we offer ultra low commission, which starts at 99 cents per lot. Our accounts spreads start from 0.0 pips. With account leverage up to 500x, and can have a minimum deposit of $100, with an additional 100% deposit bonus, regulated by HCMC Greece, compliant with ESMA. EU, regulated with FSCA, South Africa. Nothing to lose, but something to gain. Trade with the world's most liquid market provider, AFX, recommended by Stock Sniper Trading. To get started, use the affiliate link below.
As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stock Sniper Trading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.